And on today's video I'll be stuffing January salary 1 and taking you through my budget. So let's just get right into it. So it should be 2,805, but I had loans and stuff like that, so it will be just 2,509. And for some of the things like grocery, we quite have already spent. I've already paid for toiletries, so that will not be, I won't be stuffing those. So you'll see as we go along. So for tithes we have 280, so we'll take 250 and 60 and 70, 280.5. So 280.5. There you go. And then next is always pay yourself first, investments. So I want to invest on returns, and I want to put 631 towards returns. So I am just I'll create other envelopes for this for the next month. So we'll just put 620 and 31 towards returns. Actually, it's towards investments, but I will divide that to other things I want to invest in. And for savings, I want to contribute 900, so 150 per month to my emergency fund. So from this budget, I am gonna take 150 towards emergency fund, right? Let me just put it nice. 150, and then towards self-care I am gonna put another 150 from Paycheck 1. So it's also savings, something I'm saving towards, so I'm gonna put 150 towards that. And towards the get together I put 600 per month from Paycheck 1. That doesn't make sense. Okay, let's skip that for now. And then for this is for Paycheck 2, so I'm not gonna stuff that. But for get together from Paycheck 1, I'm gonna put 31.2 and the rest from Paycheck 2. So no, 331.2. So 1, 2, 320, 331.2 towards the get together. And that's it for savings. And then I will stuff my needs. So first I have Wi-Fi, and that is 100 for Wi-Fi. And I have groceries. I like to divide them according to weeks. grocery week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, because I feel like I have more control over my spending if I do it like this. But I'll just stuff one and divide them later when I have change. So I'll put 504 towards grocery. 504. I already spent on toiletries, and for bus I will put 27.4. So 25, 26, 27, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for treats and giving, I've already spent most of that, but I am left with like 40 for giving, and I just, the thing here is that someone owes me money, so I will forfeit treating myself until someone gives the money back. So I will just stuff all of this towards the giving, and I will stuff the treat yourself when I get paid back. So that's the beauty of borrowing people money. And so this will go towards my giving. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, always remember, you are not broke, you are rich, trying to discover where your riches are. Till next time, bye bye.